new shorts, and look at that. I'm gonna cover it, and look at how it looks so much of a strong truck. It's an RC car, goes over 30 miles per hour and goes over 70 kilometers per hour. So that's pretty strong. And see my video where you should see my video where I zoom it in plain road where it goes super fast and there's a wheelie. And it's pretty heavy. It gives you 2 batteries and you can even take out the tires. And actually no, I think you have to wash them.